Hey there folks, back with another video, and this time I've got something exciting based on the suggestions straight from AI courtesy of our good friend ChatGPT. So I tossed some ideas to ChatGPT, and guess what? We've come up with a killer trading strategy, specially tailored for all you scalpers out there. Took some time to test it out and optimize it, and now I'm thrilled to share what we've cooked up. So picture this thing. Air diving into some seriously good trading opportunities, whether it's crypto, Forex, or any other market you're eyeing. The strategy is top notch in accuracy. Believe me. Now onto the juicy stuff. We're talking about a volume indicator, but not your run of the mill one. This bad boy sifts through the noise and serves you only the best signals on a silver platter. I know finding this gem might be tad different than your usual indicators. You won't find it within the platform. No sir, head down to the description. I've left the link for you. Just click or copy it and bam, it'll pop up right on your TradingView platform. Once you've got it, add it to your favorites and you're golden. Whether you're on the website, desktop, or mobile, it's all good. All right, so here's the scoop. When you see a strong green bar, that's your cue to go long. On the flip side, or a bust red bar signals, it's time to go short. But hey, don't let those false signals spook you. We've got a trick up our sleeves to filter those out. Red, dodge those pesky false signals, bring in a trusty sidekick, and the moving average, ever reliable. It helps us distinguish the real deal from the fakes. So slap on that moving average, whether you prefer the simple or exponential kind, it's up to you. Set it to 20 and you're good to go. Now, let's talk entry. We're only looking for long trades when the price is above that 20 MA, and for shorts, we want the price below it. Simple as that. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. All right, let's walk through some examples. When you spot a close below the EMA and a red tick pops up, that's your signal to go short. And believe me, we've had some sweet successes with this setup. That was a lot, wasn't it? But trust me, it's worth diving into. If you're still scratching your head, don't sweat it. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And hey, if you love this content, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you're the first to know when I drop another knowledge bomb. Share these videos with your buddies, especially if they're itching to crack the trading game, especially in the wild world of cryptocurrencies. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, folks. Catch you in the next one.